Are you ready to take your photo editing skills to the next level with the power of AI? Let's explore the top 7 free AI tools for photo editing. Number 1. Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop needs no introduction. The 2024 version brings a fresh wave of AI-powered features, including the remarkable AI Generative fill. This tool seamlessly edits and removes image elements with precision, thanks to Adobe's Firefly technology. The interface receives a modern makeover, making navigation a breeze. Plus, its AI-driven feature ensures consistent color and tone across your photo collection, maintaining a cohesive look. Number 2. Luminar Neo. Luminar Neo is your go-to for powerful yet user-friendly AI-powered editing. Its Crop AI feature makes perfecting composition and perspective a snap. Portrait retouching becomes effortless with its Face AI tool, while Structure AI enhances details and clarity. The AI image sharpener ensures your photos are crisp and clear, even after adjustments. Number 3. Topaz Photo AI. Topaz Photo AI boasts advanced features like the Autopilot tool, which automatically optimizes image quality. Need to reduce noise or sharpen details? Topaz has you covered. Its AI-powered noise reduction and sharpening tools work wonders, especially for photos taken in challenging lighting conditions. Number 4. Movavi Photo Editor. Movavi Photo Editor is a powerhouse of efficiency and simplicity. Its AI-powered tools analyze and enhance photo quality with just a click. Whether it's automatic image enhancement, object removal, or background replacement, Movavi has the tools to make your photos pop. Number 5. Pixlr. Pixlr is your go-to online editing tool for advanced features without the hefty price tag. Its AI Cutout tool accurately removes backgrounds, saving you valuable time. Plus, features like AI Upscale enhance image resolution without compromising quality, perfect for enlarging small images or improving low-resolution photos. Number 6. PhotoDirector by Cyberlink. PhotoDirector by Cyberlink offers a versatile suite of AI-powered tools. From automatic adjustments to one-click background removal, editing becomes a breeze. Its seamless integration with other Cyberlink products allows for multimedia projects with ease, while tutorials and learning resources help you master the software in no time. Number 7. Paintshop Pro by Corel. Paintshop Pro by Corel harnesses the power of AI to streamline your editing process. Its smart object selection and automatic cloning tools make complex edits a breeze. Whether it's removing unwanted objects or creating seamless composites, Paintshop Pro delivers professional-looking results with ease. These are our top picks for free AI tools in photo editing. Each offers unique features designed to elevate your editing experience. So, which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And I think that you will also like these videos, check them out here.